Hey everyone, take a look at this insane TikTok tool that nobody knows about. It will literally give you the entire framework to making your first $1,000 online with affiliate marketing. Don't believe me? Then check this out. It will give you the top converting products being promoted on TikTok right now, and it will also give you the creators that are promoting them. Now, for example, take a look at WaveTech. Now, this is a TikTok account in the tech niche, and they upload videos about trendy Amazon products. Now, let's take a look at the revenue. Now, when you scroll down, here you can see their core metrics. They're making about $10,000 per day on average. Of course, this is revenue. And when you scroll up, you can see that their income is sustainable. Now, this month, their highest day was $80,000, which is quite impressive. But that's not all, guys. Not only will this tool give you revenue metrics, but it's also going to give you the entire marketing formula. So when you scroll down, here you can see the videos they're posting, right? And when you scroll to the bottom, you can see the products they are promoting and where you can find these products. For instance, this video alone made $8,000. It has 100,000 views, and they did not promote it using TikTok ads. So that means that this is all organic traffic. So this means that all you have to do is find a role model creator using this tool. You can check out what products they're promoting, what videos they're using to promote the products, and you can copy their blueprint and start making thousands of dollars online using TikTok and affiliate marketing. And as you guys saw in the intro, I'm gonna be using this amazing spy tool to make my life so much easier to find those high converting products and creators that are killing it on TikTok right now. Now, before I hop into my computer, make sure to smash the like button below and subscribe if you're new. This keeps me super motivated to create more awesome videos just like this one for you. With that being said, let's dive right in. So let's get started right away with the video. And first of all, what you want to do is sign up to the spy tool called calodata.com. Now, I just want to mention, guys, that they have a 7-day free trial, so you can get started right away. And also, I just want to mention who is Calodata for. Now, Calodata is for sellers, right? Selling products on their TikTok shop or doing e-commerce. It's for creators, right? Looking to monetize their content with affiliate products or using a TikTok shop. And it's also for agencies. So whether you're a seller, a creator, or an agency, this tool is perfect for you. It's going to help you spy on content creators in your niche, products, viral videos, and so on. Right, so let's get started. Make sure to sign up. I'm going to log in for you guys. So right away, here's your dashboard. Now, first of all, you want to obviously link your TikTok account if you're already a successful content creator, right? If you have 10,000 followers, 15, 20,000 followers, and you're looking to monetize your audience, then make sure to connect your TikTok account. If you want to spy on other content creators in your niche, if you have a niche already and you're following other people, other successful content creators in your niche, you can add them right here, right? And it's going to give you the stats and all of that juicy information. First of all, if you're new to this tool and you don't know how to use it, you can watch these quick video tutorials. If you're a seller, creator, agency, very, very helpful. It's going to give you guys some heads up on how to use this tool. Now, when you scroll down, this is the For You page. You can see the tab, right? For You, country, category, shop, creator, product, live stream, video. First of all, let's start off with the country. So if you're from the United States and United States is your target audience, you can just click on USA. And if you are from Thailand or Malaysia, you can just switch over. And this tool is automatically going to show you guys, the hot videos, the viral products, the top converting products for that country. So I'm just going to leave this to USA because USA is my personal target audience. So first of all, on the For You tab, when you scroll down, you can see hot live streams and hot videos. Now, there's two ways of promoting products with TikTok, right? You can either use short form content or longer form videos on TikTok by simply recording, right, and uploading them. Or you can use live streams. Now, for some content creators, videos may perform better. For other content creators, it may be live streams. But I'm just gonna stick with videos for this tutorial to show you guys, content creators that are killing it on TikTok right now and what type of products they're promoting. So when you scroll down, you can see videos, right? So this video right here, this is a hot video which is viral on TikTok. Right now it made about $66,000. It's in the food and beverage niche. All right, you can also see the TikTok account that is promoting this product. Another video that is going viral is a product review about this Amazon charger that you put at the back of your phone or whatever. Here you can see the TikTok account that is promoting it. And this right here updates every 24 hours and gives you, the viral videos that are making the most money. And it's going to show you the products as well. So this is very, very helpful, okay? And as you can see, there are hundreds of videos killing it on TikTok as we speak. So let's move over to the country and category tab. As you can see right here, you have the revenue by countries. And also when you scroll down here, you have your niches and the revenue by niche. Right now, beauty and personal care is doing the best with $33 million in revenue. So this is just to show you that there are millions of people on TikTok every single day, and your job as a marketer is to grab their attention and sell them a product. So let's move over to the shop category. So this category right here is for shop owners. So if you are a shop owner and you want to spy on other shops in your niche, you can do so using this category. As you can see right here, for instance, Guru Nanda LLC, they're selling some type of healthcare products, and they've made $938,000 in revenue. So you can click on this shop, you can see what products they're promoting, you can see how they're marketing these products, whether they're using affiliates or they are advertising the product themselves. So I'm not going to be going into too much detail here because I want this video to be for affiliates and content creators that are looking to promote affiliate products on TikTok, all right, and not create their own shop. But feel free to create your own TikTok shop if you feel like that's the better choice for you. There are several great videos on YouTube that will teach you step by step how to create your very first TikTok shop. So let's move over to the creator tab, right? This is where you want to spend your time at if you are a content creator looking to monetize their audience, or you are an affiliate looking to make money. So first of all, here you can see you have some filters, right? You can choose the niche you are in, right? Women's dresses, underwear, fashion accessories, sports and outdoor. You can expand, check out some more niches, right? Now here you have the advanced filter where you can filter out, the time. I usually leave this on last 7 days. The revenue source, I usually do video. The trend, I usually do growing. And you can check out the affiliate type if you want them to belong to the seller or independent. You can filter out the followers. So if you want to spy on smaller content creators, you can do so, or you can do like smaller than 50,000 or 50 to 500K based on your following, all right? And now you can click on submit. And here you have all the creators, right? As you can see, 1,384 creators. For instance, Kimi Ann has 250,000 followers and made $284,000 in revenue in the last 7 days. And as you can see, her revenue trend is growing. Now this is quite a big content creator, but if you can see Mo Styles right here, she has only 63,000 followers, yet she also managed to make $150,000. So you can click on her, all right? And now a new page is gonna open with all of her data, okay? So this is Mo Styles, she has 63,000 followers, last 30 days product 13. All right, and when you scroll down here, you can see her history. Now make sure to check out the history of each content creator or role model that you wish to copy, because it's very important that the revenue is sustainable. So for instance, if you click on a content creator and they made the most money ever in the last like 2-3 days, all right, that may have been luck. All right, some type of video went viral and that's how they made the most money. But as you can see, this content creator has spikes. She has consistent sales, $4,000 here, $55,000, $58,000, $30,000. And then again, in the last 7 days, she's making a bunch of money. So this gives me an idea that this content creator would be a good creator to, copy. So you can scroll down. As you can see, she made $150,000 in the last 7 days with 20K on average. And all of this revenue came from video, all right? Now you can scroll down. You can see the videos that made the most money. For instance, this one right here made $115,000. It has 2.5 million views and it has 0% ad view ratio. This means that the video is 100% organic and she did not use TikTok ads to promote this video. You can also scroll down and check out the products she's promoting. So this one right here, this is some type of hair set, made $128,000, and she has a total of 3,000 sales. All right. Now you can scroll up and click on this video that you wanna copy. So on this page, you can really check out the type of video she posted to attract, viewers and most importantly, sales. So if you want to do so, you can just click on this video, right? You want to let this load. So this is the video. It's over 1 minute long, and she's basically talking about this product. She used the product and then she uploaded the video to her TikTok, right? You can also scroll down and the history, right? So every single day, how much this video made, right? And as you can see, in the last 7 days, it made $115,000 in revenue, which is absolutely mind-blowing. And the product and the price of the product. Now, when you scroll down, you can see similar videos. For instance, this one right here has 500,000 views and generated $23,000. Now, this video is a bit different because this video has been uploaded to TikTok, but has been promoted using TikTok ads, okay? So you can also do that. You can also test TikTok ads if you want to. And if you feel like that you're not getting enough views on your videos, you can try TikTok ads. Now, this tool is awesome because it's also gonna give you ads data, so we can check this out as well. If you wanna see the video on TikTok itself, you can click on this TikTok video link. And as you can see, advertising information, advertising day is number 3, and ad view ratio is more than 90%. So that means that the majority of views that came to this video were from TikTok ads. So I'm gonna click on this video, or I'm gonna mute this, so you can really see what video strategy she used to promote this product. So now that we have a creator, a role model creator that we can start copying, right? We checked the history of her revenue, the income is sustainable. We can start copying all these different types of videos. So TikTok isn't really rocket science. Right, TikTok is all about trends. And if this type of video is working for her, there's a good chance that it's gonna work for other people as well. Also, I'm gonna show you where you can find the product that she's promoting. So I'm gonna click on her TikTok, just like this. I'm gonna click on her account. Okay, as you can see, she's posting consistently. Okay, and here you can find a link in her description. So I'm gonna click on it. Okay, click on open anyway. And right here, you can see Amazon storefront. So this is her Amazon storefront that she created herself, and she added the products inside her storefront. As you can see, here are her favorite hair tools and accessories. And I believe that this is one of the products that she was promoting. And when you click on it, okay, as you can see, this is an Amazon product. She did not create this product. She did not create her own store, and she's not, drop shipping this product. She's simply using an affiliate link, as you can see up here, Amazon.com, and reference equals. This means that she is using an affiliate link to promote this product. And whenever somebody comes to this Amazon website through her link, she's gonna make a small commission. And this product is $40. Let's say she makes like 5 to 10% for each sale, and she's getting thousands of sales every single week. So this is how they're making money, guys. They're simply grabbing products from Amazon. They're making videos about them on TikTok, recommending them to the audience. And whenever somebody clicks on her storefront, selects this product and decides to purchase it, she's gonna make a commission. So that's the entire, framework, marketing strategy behind this creator. And it's really working for her. So this is just to show you that you don't have to have any store yourself. You don't have to dropship products. You don't have to deal with refunds, customer service. All you have to do is just grab them from Amazon and recommend them with the link in your bio. And if you guys don't know how to sign up to the Amazon affiliate program, simply go to Amazon Associates, right? This page right here. Sign up, recommend, and as you can see, you can earn up to 10% in associate commissions. And the best part is that they use cookies. So whenever somebody clicks on your link, right, goes off the website, and on the next day they purchase an entirely different product, you're still gonna make the commission. So as an example, let's say somebody goes to, Most Styles, they click on her Amazon storefront, right? They click on her, Amazon storefront just like this. Okay, they check out the products, but they decided that they're not gonna purchase, right? So they're gonna close the website, and on the next day, they're gonna see some type of product on Amazon, let's say some type of grill, right? Just like this, and they decide to purchase this grill. Well, guess what? You're still gonna make the commission because Amazon uses cookies. I believe it's 48 hours or 24 hours. So if somebody purchases an entirely different product on Amazon within 24 hours, right? They don't even have to use the link. she's still gonna make the commission. And that's the beauty about Amazon affiliate program. So all you have to do, guys, is sign up to Amazon Associates. You can find the product that you want to promote. Okay, they're gonna give you a secret URL, and whenever you share that URL with somebody online and somebody purchases a product through that link, you're gonna make a commission. This is how affiliate marketing works, and this is how 99% of these content creators are doing it and making an absolute killing. Now, obviously, this graph, this is just revenue. She's not realistically making $50,000 here or $30,000 here. This is revenue. But even if she's making 10% of this, we have 47,000, and 10% of that is 4,700. That's huge, all right? So you can still make a killing, don't get me wrong, but don't get this mixed up. This is just revenue, all right? Profit is 10% of revenue usually on Amazon. So guys, if you want to leverage this strategy, feel free to do so. Find your role model creator, check out their history if their income is sustainable. Find that perfect niche that suits your audience, or if you're brand new on TikTok and you want to start doing this, then choose the niche that you're genuinely interested in and you're kind of like passionate about, and then start creating videos. You can start copying other creators in your niche. Using this tool is super helpful. And if you're not getting views, guys, and you feel that simply it's not working, you can also try TikTok ads. This tool is gonna give you ads data as well. And if you have never ran TikTok ads before, there's several great videos on YouTube that's gonna teach you how to do so. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Make sure to sign up to calodata.com. This tool is absolutely mind-blowing. It's gonna help you so much with your entire TikTok business, whether you're a seller, creator, agency, doesn't matter. Super helpful. It's gonna help you skyrocket your sales on TikTok. And if you're also an affiliate like me, you can find content creators that's gonna promote the products for you, all right? So either way, this tool is absolutely amazing, and you can sign up with the link in the description below this video. So to close off this video, I'm just gonna sum it up. Make sure to find your role model creator that's within your niche. Check out their history if their income is sustainable. Check out the offers they're promoting, the products they're promoting, and take a look at the type of videos they're posting, right? So you can have a look inside their entire business marketing strategy and leverage that for yourself. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you're gonna make a killing with this tool, and I'll see you in the next video.